I stopped at an elementary school and gave some hanging files that I got free on Facebook Marketplace. And I told the police officers about free kudzu at the Silver Comet Trail. Kudzu tea is made by washing 3 leaves. They can be small or large, whichever, and cutting them up and putting them in the cup and then putting hot water on it. And you can see this is pretty green, and I do have leaves in there, but I don't have problems swallowing it or anything because I'm usually pretty careful with it. This is almost October, the last day, I believe, of September, and I bought this Girl Power cup for $1.09 at Goodwill, and then we took the tag off the bottom and it said $38, and it's probably one of the Spice Girl mugs because they were into Girl Power, and it's probably old, but it's new because it never had a spoon mark in it. And I like the shape of it because it's smaller on top than it is on the bottom, so that means that I don't have to worry about the heat, escaping as fast. When you have the tulip shape where it's large on top, the heat escapes faster, I believe. Anyway, and there's a turkey pick. I've got to put the turkey pick somewhere. Probably I'll make a little arrangement of dead trees or plants or something, or I already have that. I bought some eucalyptus and I've let it dry. But anyway, I thought I'd show you this. You can find some really wonderful cups and mugs at Goodwill. Google has 250,000 websites with recipes. I've created a few. One is I wash the leaves, I cut them up, I put them in the blender, I blend them with water, and then what I do is I either make hot tea or cold juice, and then with the fiber after the cold juice, I will put it in brownies or meatloaf. Well, I'm a vegetarian, but you could put it in meatloaf.